In this video, I am going to show you how to enable extended hours on Robinhood. So there isn't actually like one main enable extended hours switch that you'll need to turn on or off for your whole Robinhood account. So instead, when you place an eligible order, Robinhood will let you choose which trading hours that you want to use. And of course, Robinhood current trading hours sessions are regular markets, which is from 9 uh, I guess 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. ET, and the extended hours will be 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. ET, and of course a fair 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. ET. So Robinhood also has a 24-hour market for selected stocks and ETFs, not for every stock. You'll have to keep that in mind. So first of all, open the Robinhood either app or website, up to you, and search for the stock or ETF that you want to trade. Then you'll have to open its page. You'll have to click on trade and choose that you want to buy or sell and enter the amount or number of shares or the dollar amount that you want to trade. If you're doing this outside normal market hours, Robinhood may automatically use an order type that can work during extended hours. So of course, I would advise you for more controls to open an order type and choose the limit order. Limit order, if you don't know it, is basically will let you set the highest price that you're willing to pay when you're buying or the lowest price that you're willing to accept when selling. This is important because normal hours orders aren't supported during Robinhood extended hours sessions. So keep it in mind. Of course, you can set your limit in price. And for example, if it's stock currently at 50 bucks, you don't want to pay more than 50.5. You could set, as an example, your buy limits at 50.5. And this does not guarantee that your order will happen. Just the price still needs to reach your limit or a better price. Of course, once you do so, you'll have to continue through the order settings until you reach set trading hours or the session basically option. You can select the trading hours and select 24 hours or extended hours. This will allow the eligible order to work during both normal market hours and Robinhood extended hour sessions. If the stock is also available through Robinhood 24 hours markets, you may see 24-hour markets option as well. Of course, that's on the PC and that's on the phone, depending on the stock or ETF. So of course, you can choose how much the order stays active as well, and other settings that you'll be able to choose, limits price, and any other thing. Like when it expires, you'll be able to review everything and confirm. So you can review your order before submitting, see whether you're buying, selling, which stock, numbers of shares or amounts, limits price, trading hours, how long the order will stay alive or active, and then you should just review it and confirm it. Keep in mind that extended hours have extra risk. Extended hours trading works differently from normal market hours. Robinhood warns that there can be, as example, fewer buyers and sellers, bigger price changers, some larger difference between buying and selling prices, and a higher chance that your order doesn't complete well. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that's basically it for me in this video. That's how you basically enable extended hours trading on Robinhood. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching and goodbye.